Hi everyone. I want to take you on a little tour of the IB's MyIB portal. You're going to log in using the login information that was sent to you. And when you go to the landing page, you'll see something that looks a little bit like this, although I expect that yours will not have as many tiles. I happen to play a lot of roles within my school and for the IB, so I probably have more tiles than you have showing. However, you should have this one, the Program Resource Center. The Program Resource Center is our main resource that we're going to use throughout this course. So click on it and take a look at the resources available to us. When you come here, you're going to see all the resources for the 4 IB programs. And I want to point out this area down here, which is a very helpful video explaining all of the features of the Program Resource Center. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to repeat this video, but I will show you some of the areas in this aspect, the diploma program resources, which are going to be the areas that we spend the most time in. So we're going to click on View All DP Resources. And you'll see that it's organized in terms of general material that's relevant regardless of the subject area you play or the role you play within your school. This document here, DP from Principles into Practice, will be a core resource for us. I've moved the PDF into our course for just to make it a little easier for us to work from. And you'll see that coming up as links anytime we need to use it. Also, you're going to see a handy area down here under Curriculum, which is all of the subject areas. There is a task coming up that will ask you to select the subject guides for any courses that you either teach or are interested in teaching. And then further down, this area called the core, you'll be learning about that throughout the course and as the core of the IB diploma program. And it has 3 key areas. In addition, information for coordinators can also be very interesting. We will take a look at the most recent issue of Coordinators Notes, which is found down here under Implementation. You can see there's a lot of resources available on the Program Resource Center. One other place I want to point out to you is anything that is relevant to any of the 4 IB programs, diploma program being one of 4 programs that the IB offers, would be found under this area called IB Education. And there are some aspects that we are going to take a look at. For example, the IB Learner Profile, what is an IB Education, academic honesty, and inclusive education, and some of the learning stories. So that's a brief overview of the IB Program Resource Center, which we lovingly call the PRC, our key resource for IB materials that we'll use throughout this course. Thank you.